In this question, one quarter circle is given and the radius of this quarter circle is 8 units and this angle is given 60 degree. Then we need to find the area of this blue shaded region. So to find the area of this blue shaded region, as we can see here in this figure, this point is the midpoint of this radius. So we can say that this length will be equal to 4 unit and this length will also be equal to 4 unit because of radius is given 8 unit. Okay, and if we will see this angle will be equal to 120 degree because angle made on a straight line is always 180. So this is 60, so this will be 120 degree. And also we will connect this point to this. So this will become what? Radius of this quarter circle. So this is 8. Okay. Now we will consider this point as a P, this point as a Q, this point as a R, and this as a S. So we can say that in the triangle PRQ, using cosine law, we can say that PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square minus 2 PR into QR cos 120 degree. We can write, and here PQ is 8, so we can write 8 square. PR is 4, so we will write 4 square. And here we will consider this RQ or PQR length as a x unit. We will consider, so we can write here in place of QR, that is x square minus 2 4 into x into cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. So this 2 got cancelled. So we can write here 64 equal to 16 plus x square minus minus become plus. So this will become 4x. After that we can write x square plus 4x and 64 minus 16 become minus 48 equal to 0. Now here we will, after that we will solve using quadratic formula. That is, we can write here x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. So we can write here in place of b, that is plus 4. So we can write plus minus, so 4 square minus 4. A is actually 1, so 1, and c is minus 48. So we will write minus 48 by 2a. So this will become minus 4 plus minus, that is 16, and this minus minus become plus, and 4 into 48 is 192, and 2 into 1 2. After this we can write minus 4 plus minus 208 by 2, and we can also write 200 under root 208 as a 16 into 13. So this means we can write 4 under root 13. So in place of that we will write here, so it will become minus 4 plus minus 4 under root 13 by 2. Now 2 we will get cancelled, so it will become minus 2 plus minus 2 under root 13. So in this way we get x value, 2 value we will get, that is minus 2 plus 2 under root 13, or x minus 2 under root 13 by 13 actually. So but this value we will see that this is negative value. So we cannot take this negative value. So this will be rejected, and this is positive. So we will take this value. Okay. And we can write here also x equal to, after taking 2 common, minus 1 plus under root 13. So x value will be what? this value. Now we will use this x value further. Now here you can see here next figure. After that we can write x value. Just now we have calculated x equal to minus 2 minus 1 plus under root 30. Okay, we have calculated it just now. Now see this, using sine law we can write, using sine law in this figure, that is PQR, we can write here sine, if we will consider this angle as a alpha, so we can calculate here sine alpha by x is equal to the sine 120 degree is divided by 8 we can write. So this means we can write sine alpha by x, sine 120 is root 3 by 2 and 8. So this means we can write sine alpha equal to root 3 by 16x, and we have just calculated x value, so we will put here in place of x 2 minus 1 plus under root 13, so this will become 8, cancel, and overall if we will show, then we can write alpha equal to sine inverse this root 3 by 8 and minus 1 plus under root 30. Okay, we can write in this way, and this value alpha will be approximately, it will be equal to, if we after solving you will get a value around 34.3411. I have calculated, you can see this, check this also. Okay, now as we have calculated alpha, so why we have calculated, you can see this, to find this blue shaded area we need to use the concept here. What concept we need to use, you can see this, shaded portion equal to, that is blue area equal to, we can write sector, this PQS area minus triangle PRQ, triangle PRQ area, PRQ area. Okay, why we have subtracted, you can see this. So first we will calculate area of this PSQ sector. So we can write sector PQS area equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula, and theta we have just calculated, means this alpha. In place of theta is actually alpha here. So we have calculated alpha value this to 34.3411. So we will write here 34.3411 by 360 into pi, and r is what, 8, so it will be 8 square. Okay, and we will solve it, then we will get as a value 19.18 unit square. You can check it on self also. And then after we will calculate triangle PRQ area, PRQ area equal to, using one formula, that is 1 by 2, this 2 product, that is 4, this 2 side PR. So we will write here to better understanding PR into RQ or QR into sine 120 degree. Using formula we can write, if one angle is given and two side length is given, then we can find the area of triangle by using this formula. This is 120 degree actually. So 1 by 2. PR is 4, so we will write 4. And QR length, we have calculated x value. X value, if you will see here, so x value we have calculated this, so we will put here in place of this 2 minus 1 plus under root 13, and sine 120 degree is what, root 3 by 2. So this 2 get cancelled, this 4 also cancelled. So we can write here 2 minus 1 plus under root 13. So this value will approximately, actually, after calculating, and this root 3 value will also be here. Okay, so we can write 9.026, approximately this value. Now this will be unit square. So this 2 value we got, so we will put here in this equation, in this, so we can write sector PQS area as 9.18 unit, and minus this area we will write 9.026. So overall we will get our value as a 10.14 unit square. So this will be the required answer for this question. Thanks for watching this video.